Good morning. This is Frank. Welcome to the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stockers and ninZa Pro Traders. It's Monday, July 25th. It's about 7:20 Central Standard Time. Let's take a look at the market for the next 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation, and then we'll take a look at market profile so we can keep an eye on the big picture for today. So let's get started. Looks like we opened up last night right here at the 68, excuse me, 67.75 area right in here, and it just kind of went up to this high area right here at 72.50, just above our zones for today, target zones for today, and started pulling back right back to the 24-hour VWAP. Reached our overnight low at this support zone at 63.75, and then right back up to this zone, and we have fib resistance right here. And we're really just consolidating smaller and smaller, waiting for the open today. Not much economic news since earnings have kicked on. We do have a lot of major players coming in, Apple, such like that. So be cautious with that, but no Fed speak until Friday, and of course FOMC on Monday. So let's take a look real quick here. What if we're going to go to the upside today? We're currently closed above the 24-hour VWAP. We've come down and retested it. So we should now look for a move up to the upside to retest the 72.50, pull back to the top of the zone at 70.50. After we've done that, we should move all the way up to this next zone. However, at this 71.75 area, possible reversal here, but not much, just a light one. Maybe just enough to make us pull back and retest the 72, which is what I expected. Pull the 72 right here, 50, and then right up into this zone for target one for today at 77.79. At this, watch for a pullback again right into this area 75 to retest this again, and then drive up to the next zone. Now, as we drive up to the next zone, looking all the way up for target two at 83, 86 into this zone. Kind of a wide area, so keep an eye on this. So we can get through this 83 area into this zone, then look for the pullback here. So either take part of your profits off or scale in, scale out, especially if we can get the next move up. If the momentum picks up and the bulls are really stepping in, we're going to drive and we can hit target three today of 94.15 area. So just be cautious of that. Great trades up in this area. If we once we get up in this area, if something extraordinary happens, we can go up to the 98, 2200 area, be a psychological level up in there. It's a long shot today, but so I expect no more than a high of 94, maybe into the zone, start taking profits and be ready to reset. Now let's take a look at the bottom. If we fail this 24-hour VWAP, come down here, we're probably more than likely going to come to the bottom of the zone, retest the overnight low at 63.75. Look for the retest back up here to the 24-hour VWAP, wherever it should be, somewhere around the 67.75 area itself, and then look for it to drive right back down to the low again, and then kind of come back up just a little bit, and as it takes profits and gathers itself for the next move down. Now, if bears have truly stepped in, we're going to drive right down through this and head down probably around the 59 area last week's open on Friday and down to the 58, which we know is all market profile type areas. So and into our zone and possibly even to overnight lows or extended lows from Friday down here at 55.75. Now here's what I expect a reversal here to turn around and push this right back up into this zone at 63. So if you take these trades right back up into here, get this profit into here, let it regroup and resettle and close back above this area. You climb right up and wherever the 24-hour VWAP as it comes down, look for it to meet it, fail it, come back down. If the bulls are really going to step in, it's going to go back up and cross over this 24-hour VWAP somewhere down, probably around the 62, 63 area. If it can close above it at that time, then look to go back into the long scenario. So let's take a look at the big picture for a second with market profile. First chart we pop is our daily chart. As you can see, we talked about this last week. We're kind of curving over here and we have closed above the 127 extension. And we closed above this next level here at 67.50. So as long as we remain above this 67.50, next target is the 77 area at the 141, followed by the 2206. Big picture move. Of course, we've never been there before. A lot of stuff in between. So we've actually got some intermittent targets laying here from 87 to 99. And I've got those targets based on a 4-hour chart, basically a 235 minute, taking a couple Fibonacci's and just kind of estimating where it's going to be because you can see it kind of started consolidating here sideways. So this is where we got 275, 278, 283, and then up here to this 94 area. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Those are on the main charts. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.